Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2016. The session is May-June. This is question number 2. This question is based on vectors, magnitude and their ratios. So let's start. Question 2a says, the vector jk is 2 and 5, the vector kl is 4 and negative 2, and the vector lm is negative 1 and 3. The first part says find jm. That means we have to go from j all the way till m. So we have to first find the value of jk plus kl and then plus lm, and this would give us the vector lm. So let's do that. Jk is 2 and 5, kl is 4 and negative 2, lm is negative 1 and 3. Okay, so when we add all of them, 2 plus 4 becomes 6, 6 minus 1 becomes 5, 5 minus 2 becomes 3, 3 plus 3 becomes 6. So the vector jm is 5 and 6. The next part says find the magnitude of the vector kl. The formula for the magnitude is very simple. So let's just directly plug that in, these values. So kl is this vector. So we use the square of 4 plus negative 2 whole square. Let's plug this into the calculator. Let's see what we get. We do 4 square plus negative 2 squared, and we find the square root of whatever we get, and we get 2 under root 5 or 4.47. Let's write 4.47 as our final answer. In the next part, they've given us a diagram. In the diagram, OA is A, the vector OB is B, C is the point such that OAC is a straight line and AC is equal to 2OA. That means OA is over here, this is A. That means this can also be further broken down into two different parts. Okay, D is the midpoint of OB. Now D is over here, and since OB entirely is B, OD would just be 1 over 2B. E is the point such that EC is equal to OD. The first part says express as simply as possible in terms of A and B, the vector AD. That means in order to find the vector AD, what we have to do is we have to go from A to O and then from O to D. So let's see, OA was simply A, but since we are going in the other direction, we use negative A, and OD is given to us now. We use negative A plus half B, which is our final answer. So we can write it this way, half B minus A, which is the vector AD. Then it says find EB. That means we have to go from E all the way to B. So we go from E to C first. When we go from E to C, after that we go from C to O. So we write CO over here, and then from this point O we go to B. So we write OB over here. Now let's plug in these values. EC of course is the same as OD, so we write 1 over 2B plus, from C to O, if you notice, instead of going this way, the vector is going this way. So instead of 3A, we use negative 3A because it's going in the opposite direction. And then OB from this point all the way to this point. So that is simply B. Let's add all of these values. B plus 1 over 2B gives us 3 over 2B minus 3A. Let's write the value over here, 3 over 2B minus 3A. Okay, the last part says find the ratio between the vector EB and AD. So our vector EB is 3 over 2B minus 3A. If we write that as one number, this becomes 3B minus 6A over 2. Then the other vector AD is 1 over 2B minus A. If we write that as one number, this becomes B minus 2A. Now if you notice, the denominators of both the numbers is the same. However, the numerator of EB is being multiplied by 3 and this is being multiplied by 1. So the ratio between EB and AD is 3:1. I hope this made sense, and that is your answer. So we write it over here, 3:1. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.